Violent hailstorms can smash everything in sight. Cars and property suffer incredible damage. A hailstorm in Munich in 1984 caused the biggest civil disaster in Germany since the Second World War. Hail smashed 240,000 cars, ruined 70,000 buildings, and wrecked 200 aircraft. The damage was estimated at over $1 billion. Some places are especially prone to hailstorms. One of the world's most dangerous zones, where Nebraska, Colorado, and Wyoming meet, is nicknamed Hail Alley. Hailstorms are usually over in less than half an hour, but some truly violent storms can last up to 12 hours. Hail pours down from powerful supercell storm clouds up to 10 miles across. It all starts when heat rising from the ground forms turbulent clouds with strong updrafts of wind. The tops of these clouds can tower up to 12 miles high, where the temperature can drop to minus 112 degrees. At this great height, water vapor sucked up by the updraft freezes into ice pellets. As a newly formed pellet becomes heavier, it begins to fall, collecting more water droplets which freeze onto it. The updraft shoots it back into the cloud, and it gets coated in more ice. Eventually, it becomes too heavy to support, and it plummets to the ground as a hailstone. Cut one open and you'll see it's coated in layer upon layer of ice, like a frozen onion. If the updraft inside is weak, the ice pellets make only a few journeys up and down within the cloud, producing small stones, the size of peas. But a strong updraft at over 100 miles an hour can keep the hailstone inside the cloud for much longer. They can reach gigantic proportions. If you want to keep a sample of these monsters, you've got to put them in the freezer. That's how America's largest hailstone was preserved. 10 times larger than a golf ball, it fell on Coffeyville, Kansas in 1970. It weighs nearly 2 pounds and crashed onto a suburban lawn at 100 miles per hour.